Why can't I follow someone on Instagram? Have you ever wondered why you can't follow someone on Instagram? You're not alone. This common situation can be frustrating, but there are several explanations for this issue and how to resolve it. Reasons why you can't follow someone. If you're experiencing this problem, you might find one of the following reasons to be the culprit. You broke the rules. Instagram has community guidelines in place, and if you've taken actions that violate these rules, you may receive an action blocked message. This usually happens when there are spam-like activities, such as mass following or unfollowing accounts in a short time frame. Instagram changed a policy. Instagram occasionally updates its policies, which can also affect your ability to follow accounts. You have a new account. New accounts may face restrictions initially, limiting your ability to follow others until you establish credibility on the platform. You were blocked or restricted. If someone has blocked or restricted you, you won't be able to follow their account regardless of your intentions. Technical glitches and internet issues. Sometimes, it might just be a technical glitch or a poor internet connection causing the issue. Multiple devices or VPN. If you're logged in on several devices, or using a VPN, these factors may also restrict your ability to follow others. Conclusion. When you encounter problems following someone on Instagram, remember there are solutions for each situation. By understanding these reasons, you can navigate the platform more effectively. Want to learn more? Subscribe our YouTube channel.